Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick hotel review of the Kempinski in Muscat, Oman. The videos that you see here are the courtyard of the hotel where the swimming pool is. You've got the beach, you've got a few seating areas as well. And just in general, just wanted to talk about the hotel itself, how good it is. Didn't have that much expectations going into it, but I was actually surprised at how well it is, how nice it is. The staff are incredible from the moment that you arrive at the hotel. They're just so friendly. They have such a big smile on their face and they're always helping you. I know it's their job, but it's nice to see that from hotel workers. I mean, sometimes you might not even get that and they just look miserable. The swimming pools at the hotel are incredible. You've got the lobby inside. This here is like a seating area downstairs. You've got a piano that anyone can use, and it just looks really nice. And I spent a few minutes here and there at this specific part, and it's pretty cool. Right, I'm in the pool at the Kempinski Muscat. Sunset, look how nice the building looks. I do like this infinity style pool. Honestly, it's really great. Hotel itself is quite nice. Rooms are a bit tiny compared to what I had in Doha, but I do like it. Obviously the location, it's quite far from the actual city center, but I say far, it's like 5-10 minute drive. And I've just been taking old taxis here, which is what their Ubers are, so it is quite nice. You've got a little drinks bar there, and then on the right is where you get your towels. They close at 7 and I think it's around 6 p.m. right now, so it's quite nice. And then in the background you've got the beach and then the sea, so you've got the best of both worlds. Though the sea right now, it'll probably be freezing, and then you've got the sandy beaches, and then you've got your bar lounges here, which I might sit down on in a bit and then just watch some videos. But thought I'd give you a quick tour of the swimming pool here, which is one of their main features. And considering the time, the pool is actually quite hot, which is nice. I just came back from Wadi Shab as well, so if you've not seen that video, check it out, assuming it's been posted. If not, then wait for it. It is a really nice video and I'm sure you guys will love it. So this is the swimming pool in a nutshell. Let me know if you plan on visiting the Kempinski Muscat. It is a 5-star hotel, one of many 5-star hotels in Muscat. And the next hotel that I plan to stay in Muscat is the Al Bustan Ritz-Carlton, so I'll also be reviewing that. Stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, this is the swimming pool review. I'll show you the rooms and just the main lobby and the hotel in general. So this is wing 3 where I'm staying, and just a nice look at the corridors. And then of course it's dark right now. This is basically the outside, and then there's the main lobby. And then this is the wing area during the day, where you get a much better view at the main lobby area, including the seatings and then the tennis court on the right as well. I mean, just the whole vibe of the hotel is pretty cool. I think it looks really nice. It's very modern as well, which I quite like. And then we moved to the rooms that we had. So I had a twin single room. This is on the day of checkout, so excuse how messy it is. You've got a little sofa there, and then this was the view I had of the tennis court. And then in the background is the airport, which was quite cool for me because I'm a aviation fan, so I like seeing that. And yeah, I mean, the room in general, it was pretty nice, pretty chilled. Here we have the bathroom. You got a massive bathtub there, and then the doors, they actually open up into the room, which is a bit strange. The shower was pretty nice as well, quite big, which was a plus if you don't want to go inside the bathtub. And obviously one of the main center points of this hotel is the lobby. It is spectacular. You've got quite a few seating areas as well, and honestly, I was blown away when I first saw it. It's also just a nice area to just sit down and take in the view because you do have a nice view of the swimming pool as well. So, yeah, that's what I did at times, just sat down and just admired the hotel. Here you have the outside, one of the many entrances they have. The beach is also pretty cool. It's private as well, so you can just go there whenever you want. And the sea is actually really nice. The downstairs lobby, again, it looks really cool. Nice area to sit down, and just overall, the hotel itself, it's quite sophisticated. And I would highly recommend staying here. I mean, I after this, I went to stay at the Al Bustan, Ritz Carlton, and compared to that hotel, I prefer the Kempinski. So, if you are ever in doubt as to whether you should stay at the Kempinski or not, just do it. It's well worth the money. It was cheaper as well for me compared to Al Bustan. And if I ever came back to Muscat, I would probably stay here. It's also very close to the airport, so around a 10-15 minute journey, so that's always a positive. Something else I also want to mention is the fact that the surrounding area of the hotel is incredible. The walk at Al Mouj, which is just a 5 minute walk from the hotel, is brilliant, especially during the night. So I would highly recommend doing that as well, as you can see here. If you enjoyed this little mini hotel review, leave a like, press that subscribe button. I'll also be doing one for the Albstan Ritz Carlton Palace, so stay tuned for that. And as always, thanks for watching.